right?
And again, you know what? It's not even about the size anymore. It's like very few people now take the time to develop themselves. That's what I've been seeing. Yeah, we have, and the thing is that we have so much ability to find things on YouTube and online, and people think that that's enough, but they don't see, like what you said before. Always look for someone that's already been there. I mean, we get so many posters that come online and talk about different things that, okay, this is the way you do it. But if you actually look into them, they've never been there. They don't know how to do it.
Right.
So, and that takes me to the next point is between wealth and rich. A lot of people claim to be rich, and yeah, they may have some money, whatever they bring in, but they don't know how to use it. They haven't created that wealth or that wealthy mindset. They haven't created, like you're saying, different streams of income. Like, to you, what is the difference between being wealthy and being rich?
Wealthy to me is multiple streams of income, and multiple streams of income is not another job.
Yeah.
Multiple streams of income is not a job. It's not another job. Multiple streams of income is money while you sleep.
Mm.
If you
Wow.
make money while you sleep, you're wealthy. Rich is people that are have companies that they give them a nice big salary, or they make a salary and they have some stock options, and they're spending money, and they're just like having a blast, which is great.
Yeah.
But I think to become wealthy, you have to let your money grow. So I believe in that. My acronym for my book, Get Real, Get Rich. The R is recurring income. Do the work once, get paid again, again, and again. The E is equity. When you can, let things grow. The A is appreciation. Let things build. And the
Yeah.
L is leverage. Got to leverage. And what you leverage is other people's time, other people's contacts, and other people's money.
Wow.
So a lot of people have a lot of money, but they don't want to go do the work. Like I know people that are Airbnb wholesalers, flippers, and it's been a little tough for the flippers lately because they were
Yeah.
overpaying and
Wow.
wholesaling. However, they're still making money, but a lot of them are using other people's money so they can
Hmm.
have more cash flow. And you can find people that have money that don't want to do the sweat work, the sweat equity work. So it's important that you do that. But I would really tell everyone to just streamline everything, get
Yeah.
ready, get educated, and get focused, and then look for opportunities. I mean, I was talking to a gentleman this morning, and right now there are 6,000 people behind on their mortgages in Miami alone.
Wow.
Yeah,
Hmm.
just
Wow.
this month, by the way,
Just
just
this
this
month.
month, 6,000. He's a
Wow.
banker. He's a banker, and this is all he does. So I think there's going to be an opportunity also to do short sales, help these people keep their credit, and get them out of a bad loan and sell their house for them. But short sales, wholesale, Airbnb, buying, fix and flip, buying, fix and rent. Rents are going up. A lot
Wow.
of people won't be able to own, so rents are
Hmm.
going up. So find some commercial. If you can do commercial, do single family, but commercials where the money is got more doors.
That's awesome.